Hey everyone, welcome to Current News. So the Supreme Court has decided not to hear a lawsuit filed by John Anthony Castro, a GOP presidential candidate, that wanted to prevent Donald Trump from running in the 2024 election because of his involvement with the events on January 6th. Just to give a bit of context, Castro isn't a widely recognized political figure and didn't qualify for the presidential debates. He initially filed his lawsuit in Florida and tried to use a part of the 14th Amendment to say that Trump should be disqualified. This section of the Constitution, originally written with Confederate supporters in mind, basically says that if you've taken an oath to support the Constitution and then rebel against it, you can't hold office. Castro's main point was that Trump's actions and involvement on and around January 6th should prohibit him from running for office in the future. But the lawsuit was dismissed earlier in June because it didn't have standing. Even though he appealed to higher courts, the Supreme Court has also decided not to hear it, not giving any comments or details about their decision. And Castro isn't the only one trying to keep Trump off the 2024 ballot. There are similar efforts happening in Minnesota and Colorado. In fact, a group in Colorado is trying to ensure that if Trump does get the Republican nomination, he won't appear on their state's ballot. What do you all think about these attempts and the Supreme Court's decision? Mary Trump wrote on Wednesday that Judge Engoron's decision might not bode well for the president as he heads to trial for these charges next year. I hope the recent decision by Judge Engoron in New York, which according to Joyce Vance, is tantamount to New York's corporate capital punishment, will prove a tipping point. It's long past time all evidence against Donald and his long-term crime spree reaches critical mass, she wrote. Trump doesn't face criminal penalties in James's case, so he isn't at risk of jail time. However, the civil case could still impact his finances. As Mary Trump noted, legal experts have referred to the decision as a corporate capital punishment, as Engoron ordered the revocation of business licenses for the Trump Organization and several other New York entities associated with the former president, severely limiting his ability to do business in New York, the nation's largest financial hub. Mary Trump, a regular critic of the former president who is running in the conservative executive primary, responded to the decision in a Substack post on Wednesday evening. In it, she wrote that she believes the decision will be something of a tipping point as he faces 4 criminal trials soon. More regrettable than most terrible, Mary Trump wrote, adding that she believes her uncle's perception of himself as a loser who can only succeed if he lies, cheats, and steals makes him dangerous. Make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for tuning in.